welcome, and in this lesson you're going to learn how to do a full screen capture to desktop. So what this will do is it'll capture everything that you see on your screen and save it as an image file to your desktop. So let's go ahead and get started. The way you do that is hold down Command, hold down Shift, continue to hold them both down, and then press 3. And you'll hear that photography clicking sound, camera sound, and you'll see we have two files up here. And the reason we have two is because I have my computer connected to an external monitor. So here is what my smaller laptop screen desktop looks like. It's this file. And then of course you're looking at what my larger external monitor screen looks like, and that's what this file looks like as well. So we'll take a look at that. Again, just like you see here, a window inside a window. And again, to do that is Command Shift 3. And make sure you download the keyboard shortcuts cheat sheet and print that out. It'll be great to have on your desk as you take this course. Again, you want to establish some good habits, and some of these shortcuts are kind of close to each other and you don't want to get confused early on. You really want to make sure you memorize them all exactly as they are right the first time. And the best way to do that is to download that cheat sheet and print it out and have it next to you at your desk. All right, we'll see you in the next lesson.